Children have always dared each other to climb higher, to try more and more dangerous feats on playground equipment. And it's every parent's nightmare that they will one day fall and injure themselves, perhaps seriously. As little as 10 years ago, this sort of technology in the playground was virtually unthought of. Today, however, we're a little more safety conscious, and it's now possible to substantially reduce the risk of injury with Playland from Levercrest. Playland is a high-specification safety rubber surfacing designed specifically for play areas such as this. It's British-made, and it comes in two basic forms: Playland tiles, which may be supplied in either metre square or half-metre square units, and Playland wet pour, which, as its name suggests, is mixed and laid on site. Each product has its own special characteristics and comes in a variety of thicknesses dependent upon application. Playland 80 is a high-impact 80mm rubber tile offering a fall height in excess of 2.5 meters. It provides maximum safety around high-level equipment. Playland 65, on the other hand, with its 65mm profile and shorter cones, offers a fall height exceeding 2 meters. It was designed around our Alpine range of play equipment and is thus ideal for all 2-meter installations. Our Tiddler range of equipment for 2 to 5-year-olds gave rise to Playland 45, with a fall height exceeding 1.5 meters. Playland 35 has a fall height of 1 meter and is ideal for use around spring equipment and roundabouts. Finally, there's Playland 20, an inexpensive, low-impact tile which will prevent the risk of abrasion on slide runouts and general play areas. For every play environment, there's a purpose-designed Levercrest Playland surface. As part of both research and development and of random product assessment, Playland surfacing is regularly subjected to our own British Standard-approved test rig, enabling us to observe and analyze our products under impact. Explained simply, a hemispherical head form containing a quartz crystal accelerometer is dropped from various heights onto the test material. This sends a series of signals to a computer, which calculates the severity index and critical fall height of the material. A full test comprises 5 runs, the results of which are averaged to form the final analysis. Whether on a new build site or the refurbishment of an existing playground, the application of Playland could hardly be easier. On this site near Guildford in Surrey, swing frames have already been installed, ready for the application of safety surfacing. Firstly, the site must be assessed. The perimeter of the required surfacing is identified and marked, and levels are taken. The site must then be excavated, either by machine or sheer hard work. For this particular installation, concrete curbstones have been specified, and these are laid and carefully leveled. The enclosure is then filled to a depth of 50mm with crushed rock, which is rolled or raked level. Then follows the 75mm foundation layer of concrete. This is troweled and tamped level, and drainage holes are let in before curing to reach down to the rock base below. With the concrete foundation well cured, the tiles themselves can then be laid. Conventional tiling practice is followed inasmuch as this process works outwards from the centre. If edging hasn't already been applied, it must be considered now. Whilst the 20 and 35mm tiles can simply have the ground reinstated to their perimeter, the deeper 45, 65 and 80mm tiles will need pressure-treated timber edging to retain the existing ground. All the tiles can of course be supplied with ramped edging for installation directly onto the existing ground level, if this is suitable. Playland wet pour isn't far removed from the tiles, consisting of rubber granules bound together with polyurethane resin and creating a perfect surface without seams or joints. It's highly adaptable to suit a complete range of fall heights and comes in a comprehensive range of colours. But Playland isn't only safe and attractive, it's also highly durable. It's been tested for fall heights, flammability, ultraviolet degradation, slip resistance, abrasion and durability. In every case, it has surpassed all British standards requirements. Ultraviolet degradation from the effects of sunlight isn't even measurable, and general durability from the wear and tear of daily use is excellent. The tiles are virtually impossible to cut, but of course nothing can stop the determined vandal. Should such damage occur, it can be quickly and easily repaired. Flammability is extremely low. Even if doused with petrol, it's only the fuel that burns, not the tile itself. Unlike many of our competitors, we'll be delighted to carry out the entire installation ourselves, from site survey right through to the final landscaping. Alternatively, our technical engineers offer a full consultancy service. Is there really an alternative? Our products not only meet but actually exceed all applicable British standards. In fact, recent tests in Lapland have secured us major and exclusive European contracts because Playland was proven to retain its full characteristics even at 35 degrees below freezing. There really is no alternative. Only Playland can so successfully combine the very highest safety standards with true cost-effectiveness, good looks and durability. It comes in a comprehensive range of tolerances as well as a full range of colours, suiting any play environment, whether new or old, public or private, from the municipal park to the school playground and the pub play garden. With safety foremost in mind and our standards under constant revision, Playland is the market leader. But it must never be forgotten that whilst Playland is the very best that money can buy, it's the least our children deserve.